Right, are you comfortable? Because you look a little bit far away.
I've not moved the seat yet.
Yeah.
That's the... See, I always feel like I'm too far
away.
Yeah, like when I'm back before I start driving.
Oh no,
I feel a bit too close now. Actually,
push it down. See. No, that looks okay. Yeah, yeah. Mirrors.
Oh my god! Every time I have to move this, it really annoys me. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Right, let's start up.
Could we please ask you a favour?
Now, currently, only 25% of our viewers are subscribing.
We would absolutely love to get this to 50%.
It's free to subscribe and it makes such a difference to us.
If you enjoy watching our videos, please just hit the subscribe button and it will do us such a good favour.
And really make our channel grow.
That was quite stressful. You know I'm stressed if I'm silent.
Yeah, that's true actually. Yeah, that's it. Well, that might be third. Just try that again. That's better. That went over to the left.
I'm gonna go after that car.
Cool. When we get to the roundabout, we're gonna turn right, second exit. Okay.
I literally haven't done this route before, so I don't know where the roundabout is.
Well, you'll see it. It's quite big. Now keep it rolling in third now. See if you can time it after this car's passed. Because it's such a big roundabout, isn't it? You can definitely make time. Yeah. Lovely. So coming round past 1. We're exiting at 2, so you want to be checking, signalling, signal left. That's it.
I can go left.
Yeah. Perfect.
Now, what?
No, so think about where the stop line is.
That's what I was just thinking.
Yeah, so this is your stop line here for this line. So a lot of the time you'll have a secondary light. If you've passed the stop line, that's not going to apply to you.
I was just thinking, I was like, what? Sorry.
I never think about it. So keep in second,
Okay.
always keep in second, and then first once you stop. Just careful, you went 3 and 4 then. Make sure it is really over to the left.
Like
Yeah.
that.
So remember, we only want the gear for the speed that you're at that time.
Okay,
Yeah.
I need to slow down more.
Well, it was more just that you went to put it into first, but we were still actively moving. Yeah, so if you would have put it into first and the lights changed to green, you would have got a massive amount of engine braking from lifting your clutch up because the gear was too low for the speed. So always match the gear to the speed at that point. Yeah.
Yeah. Just feel like I haven't driven in ages. It's weird. I need to start going out with my parents because it's stressing me out.
Yeah, you should. It will help. So what do these signs mean?
It's going to merge into one lane.
That's it, yeah. So keep your eye on that right-hand lane because he's coming whizzing down, isn't he?
Wait, so is that?
And you're going to keep in the left lane. To get upset.
She thought I was having...
This roundabout, we're going to turn right, please. That's it. It's the third exit. So keep in position to turn right. That's it.
I think I can go.
Yeah. Pop your right signal back on. Yeah. So we've got 1. Keep it tucked in. 2. Signal up for 3. That's it. And then take the first road on the right.
On it?
Yeah, that's it. So we can see from that sign that the road follows round to the left, but obviously don't expect people on the right to not be whizzing down, so make sure you still, slow down, check there's nothing. Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah. And it was just a bit weird.
And then at the end of this road, we're going to turn right. So, good job. Okay, look on the way in, see if you can keep it moving. Perfect.
Yeah, okay.
So remember, you've got to make that decision by the give way line. So you looked for a little bit too long then. Like as soon as you reached the give way line, you could see there was nothing there. Just fully commit to it. Yeah.
Okay.
So if not, you've got to be stopping at the give way line anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, G thanks. Yeah, that's it. So this one is longer, so we'll make sure we go in this one.
Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called My First Specialist in Young Driver Insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal with.
So along here we've got the lampposts without any repeater signs. So then this is the place that you'd say, okay, this is 30, because there's no speed sign that you can see, otherwise yes, what's your speed. We'll turn left at these lights. There's a lot of open roads in Leicester that feel like they could be faster and they're not. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Okay, can we go in this one?
Right.
That's it, lovely. So we'll just carry on outside of it. So just always have a look for whenever the bus lane ends, because it could be that you then, like, the lanes change and the left lane's then ahead and the right lane's right. So as long as you've got this solid line, you know it's a bus lane, but keep an eye for it ending. It's always worse being behind a van as well, because you can't see what's happening in front. So you have to give yourself a little bit more time to react. Okay, he's turning in there, that's good.
Thank God.
What's that little yellow box there? See behind the bus stop, that little yellow box. And these 3 lines on the road.
I've never seen that before in my life.
It's a speed camera. So you see here, the bus lane's ending and we're continuing ahead, so what lane do we need?
Left.
That's it, yeah, so we check. And yeah. Now, are we going to fit past this yellow box? I think you will. You'll squeeze that.
Every time.
We're just waiting.
Yeah, I just realised that.
Yeah, just make sure. Yeah, see.
Because I might not be able to fit in the box. I mean, you kind of like edged it. I can go now.
That's 4. Got to make sure you're pushing left. You're just not quite getting that left pressure.
Wait. I still need to go back to 1, but I just was getting 2.
Switch the crossing. Stop before the crossing. That's it. So remember, we never want to wait across it, because because otherwise you would have been smack bang in the middle of her walking across. Just be careful with these chicanes, slow it down because you've got to reduce space. That's it. Yeah, that's good.
So I go on a ride and I feel genuinely awful, like.
Oh no, yeah.
Like pretty awful.
Fairground rides as well.
I feel pretty awful. And so it takes like 20 minutes for my stomach to settle. And then they're like, oh, go on, no, I'm like, no, I'm sitting out, like,
yeah, no.
I'm gonna throw up. But then she pre-bought the ride to beeping the horn. Full on, the horn's like sounding.
That's
like,
that's actually quite funny.
That's appalling.
So we go straight on at these lights. Have a look at the lanes. That's it. Yeah, don't leave the signal on. There. Right, are we going to fit without blocking the junction?
No. But yes.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Don't let me question myself.
Well, no, I was questioning it. Keep going straight. You don't want to turn right.
Straight. Oh, wait. This here?
That's it. That's a right turn lane.
We're going to ignore that, okay?
But it's one of those things where it's like, it's really difficult to know, especially when there's traffic, because
there's a lot of people.
And the cars cover the arrows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fat
so,
car with a...
yeah, you just don't know sometimes.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to wait for this person to come in.
Yeah.
That was a bit greedy.
Next one. It's Roundabout, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I definitely saw that.
Oh, this is long.
How do you think I feel?
Yeah, is your leg aching?
It's going to tomorrow.
Right, watch this keep clear.
Oh, keep clear, yeah. Stop here.
Yeah. That's it. What's the speed limit?
40?
No, national.
50.
70. You got dual carriageway, isn't it?
Guys, please.
Remember,
no.
60.
Wait, sorry.
Okay, 60 without a barrier. That's it. Go. You got to get that speed up.
I know. I got to get it up.
70 with a barrier, 60 without. Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.